What's up, YouTube? Pictures by Schboi back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the right way to export your images for Instagram in Photoshop. Now, Instagram deals with compression, so before you upload your images on Instagram, Instagram compresses your image before the image is being uploaded. And when Instagram compresses it, it takes half of the quality from the image. In order to prevent that, you have to compress your images yourself before you upload them on Instagram. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So before we get into today's video, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you scroll down and smash the subscribe button, and also don't forget to leave a like on this video. Let's get straight into Photoshop. So guys, this is the picture we are going to use for today's tutorial. This picture has already been retouched and color graded and it looks amazing. So the first thing to do is to crop your image to the Instagram aspect ratio, which is the 4:5 aspect ratio. So you select your crop tool and then you select right here and select 4:5 or 8:10, to crop the image to the Instagram aspect ratio. Now after doing that, this image has already been cropped, so we are not going to crop it. After cropping it, make sure the image size is 1080p. Now how do you check that? You check that by going to image and then image size. So whatever digit that you have here, make sure you just enter 1080, sorry. Make sure you enter 1080, and before you enter 1080, make sure this right here is checked so that whatever you enter in the width will match with the height. So you enter 1080 here and you select OK. This has already been done, that's why 1080 was already there. I'm sure yours wouldn't be the same as mine, so you can still follow this tutorial. Now after you are done with that, then you are ready to save the image now. So you go to File, Export, and then Save for Web. Now you can do this by the shortcut Shift, Control, Alt and S, and then this will pop right up. So after this dialog has popped up, and then you make sure your settings are just the same as I have here, except for the quality. Now the quality can range from 70 to 100%. Make sure you have JPEG selected here, you have optimize selected, you have it converted to sRGB, and then 1080 here. 1080 will be here already because you've converted your image to 1080, and then that is it. So after you are done with your settings, and then you hit save, then you choose your preferred location. So let's name this as Instagram. Let's name this as Instagram, and then just save it. So what we are going to do now is to go to my desktop and check the size of the image. Now this image was about 8 megapixels, but after we done saving it, I'm sure the size have reduced. Now the image is 575 kilobytes, and the quality is still amazing. Let me open it real quick and show you the quality on this image. Why is this taking so long? My God. Here is the image now. As you can see, the image still looks amazing. We still have amazing quality, and then now we can post this on Instagram, and Instagram won't apply any compression on it because it has already been compressed. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you leave a like on this video and also comment down below on any video you would want me to make, any video you would like to see from me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and hopeful, see you in the next one.